Let's learn a very famous Lebanese piece sang by Fairuz. This is called Salouny and Nas, and it's composed by Ziad Rahbani. This piece is in Maqam Bayati, so we have D, E quarter flat, F, G, A, B flat, and sometimes we have B quarter flat with our fourth finger, C, and then D. Alright, let's go through the first measure. 2, 3, 4. So typically we'll play eighth notes with downstrokes, and 16th notes in a line we'll play down up. So we have down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So we usually will start the first beat of the measure with a downstroke. Let's do measure 1 and measure 2 and put them together. 3, 4. Now let's go to measures 3 and 4. Very similar melody, but measure 4 changes. 3, 4. So this melody is very tricky because you're playing parallel strings and you're playing alternating strokes. So you're playing down, up, down, up, down, up all the way through. Let's try measure 4 again. 3, 4. So this repeats from the beginning to the end of measure 4. Now let's go to measure 5. Now is where the vocal part comes in. So this melody line follows the vocal. 3, 4. So that's very simple. All downstrokes until you have A, B, G at the end of measure 6.